This is the Singer 222K portable machine, which was made in the 50s. It has a plate which can be removed and also folded up for storage. At the top here we have light. This is where you put thread on the bobbin. This is the gauge for the length of stitch. This is when you want to sew traditionally, or if you want to darn when the dog feet are lowered. That's what happens with this one. You can just see that, I don't know if you can see that they lower. This is the tension, like with every machine. And I'll just show you how to put the bobbin in and how to thread the machine, and then give you a quick demo of how it works. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So the bobbin is housed just in the side, and when you have your bobbin threaded, make sure the thread is coming in this position to the left, coming up, and just lift the leg of the bobbin holder, slot the bobbin in, and then you want to find there's a slit. There it is. Don't know if you can see that. Just in the side, the thread needs to go down there and then through into here. It needs to be tight. Okay, now to insert it, we lift that same leg again, slot it into the side of the machine until you feel it click in. Yeah, that's it. Let go of the foot, the leg, and leave the thread loose. Turn the machine back round again. Now I'm going to thread the top. I've used different colours so that we can see the stitches working well together. So onto the top, through this section, and we want to go round the tension area and hook. Just pull gently on that wire that's over the top, and the thread automatically goes through. Then we need to go back to the back of this leg here, through the hole, the top, back down, and then at the side you'll see there's two metal, actually three metal wires. The first one, it goes around the back, just pull gently, and it goes through the eye, just goes through that one. There it is there. And then one just at the top of the needle. I'm going to thread the needle. Why is it not great? There we go. Great. Now the thread is down by the needle. Gently lower the needle down with your hand and raise it back up, pulling the wheel towards you. And as it raises up, pull gently on the thread and your bobbin thread will pop up through. So now we've got the two threads coming up. Okay. Through the foot. Now put the fabric in, lower the foot, gently lower the needle into the fabric, and here is our foot. I'm going to put that on the ground and get going. So we're on a number 10 stitch. Make sure that's raised to the top. Lift your presser foot. Let's have a look at the stitching. As you can see, there's no pull through from the other colours on the other side. It's great, perfect stitching. Okay, let's change the length of the stitch. So what you do, twist this down until you're at the length of stitch that you want. Fabric back in. So your top thread is through the centre of the foot. Okay, let's go. Back up to the top. Let's have a look. As you can see, beautiful stitching.